StudyMathsMojo.com.
Next is question number 11 from exercise 6.3. Question number 11. The question is, in the given figure, E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC and EF perpendicular to AC, prove that triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF, given that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Given triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. In which AB is equal to AC. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. And EF is perpendicular to AC. EF is perpendicular to AC. We have to prove that triangle ABD. To prove triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. The figure is given. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. These two sides are equal. Now, AD is perpendicular to BC. 90 degree, 90 degree. And BC is produced. E is a point on side CB producing this side. This is the point E, and EF is perpendicular to AC. EF is perpendicular to AC. This is the given figure. We have to prove triangle ABD, ABD and ECF. These two triangles are similar. We have to prove. Now we are considering the two triangles. Consider triangle ABD and ECF. Consider triangle ABD and triangle ECF. In these two triangles, angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. Angle ADB is equal to 90 degree and angle EFC is also equal to 90 degree and EFC is also equal to 90 degree. Therefore, we can write angle ADB is equal to angle EFC. Reason each is 90 degree. Each is 90 degree. One equation is obtained. Now, for the second, we are taking triangle ABD and EFC. ABD and EFC. Since AB is equal to AC, angle ABD is equal to angle ABD. This angle is equal to angle ACD. Angle ACD. Base angles of isosceles triangle. Base angles of isosceles triangle. Base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. Now we can write angle ABD is equal to angle ECF. Angle ABD is equal to angle ECF. ABD is equal to angle ACD. First we can write as ACD. But angle ACD is same as ECF. Angle ACD is equal to angle ECF. Same angle. Same angle. That means angle ABD is equal to, instead of angle ACD, we can write ECF. ECF. Proved. Or base angles of isosceles triangle. Base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. So we can write, with the help of these two equations, we can write triangle ABD is similar to ECF. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. ECF by AA similarity criterion. Hence proved the result. We are obtaining two pair of angles are equal. First pair is angle ADB and EFC. Both angles are 90 degree. Second, angle ABD and ECF both are equal. These two angles are equal because base angles of isosceles triangles are equal. With these two equalities, we are proving triangle ABD is similar to ECF by AA similarity criterion. Okay.